So most of what we do is focusing on residential solar power. Mums and dads looking to cut their power bills down, save a bit of money. Some people looking to cut costs for the future. They're looking at retiring, so get the solar on now whilst they have an income so that their ongoing costs are lower. It'll come out, we'll look at your current bills. We'll also look at, if you're looking at planning on any future growth for your power bill. A lot of people are looking at buying an electric car next year or in a few years' time. So it makes sense to have a solar system that can accommodate that extra load if and when it's going to happen. They're things that we talk about with you when we're on site. Run through your usage, and your time of usage is important as well, because solar power only works in the daytime. If all of your usage is at night time, then we can discuss the options and the ways around that. Every house is different. Life isn't that simple that every roof is the same. So we come out, we'll have a look at the roof, we'll look at the screw lines, we'll look at the structure of the roof and see what we can actually do with the property. We'll also look at nearby shading from trees, from chimneys, things like that, because things like that are really, really important. You don't want to have a solar system that's been installed in the shade because it's simply not going to work. A lot of homeowners that come to us, they got big bills. Some of them are $500, $600, $700, $800. Some of them are, a couple of $1,000s every quarter. And the main goal that we find that most of them want to do is try and cut that power bill down so it's more manageable. In some cases, we're even able to wipe that power bill out completely, depending on their usage and depending on their tariffs. And they're things, we'll come out, we'll do a full analysis and be able to run through the different options with you. If you're looking at buying solar, spend a little bit more at the start. Buy it once, buy it right, and don't cut costs at the start. Get a local company to do it for you, and you can ensure that you've got a quality system that's going to last you decades and decades to come and save you thousands and thousands of dollars over that time.